Do you also use Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create Zoho CRM deals from new Facebook lead ads leads. So I'm running Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for my business, and here my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically and instantly a deal for the same should be created in my Zoho CRM account. So now here to automate the entire process, I will connect my Facebook lead ad with my Zoho CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you all know that in this video we are going to understand how you can create a Zoho CRM deal for the new lead received via Facebook lead ad. So here on my screen you can see my Facebook page that I have with the name Digital Dynamics. And here I'm running some Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for my business. So here my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from my Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly a new deal for the same should be created in my Zoho CRM account. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ads with my Zoho CRM using an automation software. And now firstly in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So now here to see the working of this automation, we are going to generate a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. And here to generate the test lead, let me take you to Lead Ads Testing Tool by Meta. So this is Lead Ads Testing Tool by Meta, and here I've already selected my page, product and the form. So this is my lead form, and here I've already pre-filled the details such as first name, last name, email and the phone number. So we're going to click on this continue and then submit. And you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check our Zoho CRM account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new deal over here with the name follow with the dummy lead. And these are the details. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ad with your Zoho CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, but here before moving forward, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So this is the Pabbly Community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner, and then here's asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says create Zoho CRM deals from new Facebook lead ads, and then he's asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select it as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So we're going to click on the add trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Facebook lead ads and my app event as new lead instant. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this continue. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for the account credentials first. So once you're going to add the credentials, then automatically your account will get connected inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward. Here it is asking me to select the page name and the lead gen form. So I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select my page as Digital Dynamics, and then here's asking for the lead gen form. So here to get this lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see the forms that I've created with different names for my use. In this case, I'm going to use my form as new lead ads form. You can create your own lead form as per your requirement. Alright, so we're going to select the lead gen form as new lead ads form. So I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now after selecting the page name and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive the response in a simple, that means in an organized format. But here if you wish to receive the response in an advanced format, that means in an array format, then you can simply turn it off. Alright, so now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button. And it says your lead has been deleted. So now I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Now after refreshing the window, I'm going to select my page once again as Digital Dynamics, product as lead retrieval, and the form as new lead ads form. Then we're going to click on this preview form. Alright, so this is my lead form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So for the first name, I've entered the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytunes.com. And here for the phone number, I'm going to add a random phone number. And then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received the first name, last name, email, phone number, and some other details of our lead. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly, I want to create a deal for the same in my Zoho CRM account. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Zoho CRM and my app event as create a deal. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Zoho CRM account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Zoho CRM. Here it is asking me to add the domain of my Zoho account. So here to get the Zoho account domain, let me take you back to my Zoho account. So this is my Zoho account, and here in the URL you can see my domain is zoho.com. So I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it over here. Then we're going to click on this save. And here you can see it is requesting for the access. So I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Zoho account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Zoho CRM account in the same browser, or else it is going to ask for the account credentials first. Alright, so let's move forward. Then comes the deal name. So here in the deal name, I'm going to add the name as follow up with, and then here I'm going to enter the lead's name. So now here, instead of entering the lead's name manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to map the first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Here for the stage, I'm going to select it as qualification from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. For the account, I'm going to select demo account. You can select your account as per your need. Then comes deal type. I'm going to select it as existing business, and here this deal amount and description is not a required field, so I'm going to leave them blank. Here for the lead source, I'm going to select advertisement, and here for the closing date, I'm going to add my year ending date, that is 2026-03-31, that is 31st March 2026. And here this trigger is not required field, so I'm going to leave it blank. So here I've only entered the required details that I've received from my lead form. You can add all your details as per your requirement. Alright, so now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new deal in our Zoho CRM account. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new deal with the name follow up with the test user. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So if we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Zoho CRM, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ads, then automatically and instantly a new deal for the same will be created in our Zoho CRM account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to create Zoho CRM deals from new Facebook lead ads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.